It's Nelson from TechGeekNelson.com, and this is going to be my unboxing slash first impressions video of the Huawei MediaPad M5. So full disclaimer, this tablet was given to me for free so that I could do a YouTube video on it. This is not an advertisement video in any way. Everything I'm saying in this video is my personal opinion, and with that out of the way, let's get to the unboxing. Inside of the box is a USB-C charging cable, the wall outlet, and a headphone adapter for the USB-C port. There is no headphone jack, but that's okay. I only been using this tablet for a few days, so I can't really give it a full review just yet. So this video is going to be focusing on some of the features and some of the things that I like so far about it. And the obvious first thing is the design. It's thin, it's lightweight, but it has a premium feel to it. On the right side, you'll see your power button, the volume rocker, and I will talk about the speakers a little bit later. I will show you guys the speakers because that's one of the big features of this tablet. And on the bottom, there's your USB-C port. So let's get into the specifications. It has 4 GB of RAM. It has an 8.4-inch 2K display, which looks amazing. It has an aluminum body, and it only weighs 11 ounces. So the fingerprint reader is on the bottom. I don't use the fingerprint reader, but I like that I can use it as a home button and I can use it to navigate. Basically, I can tap the button once, and that's back. I can hold it down for a second, and that's home. I can swipe to the left, and I will see all my apps. And also when I see all my apps, I can see the amount of memory that I'm using. Again, it has 4 GB of RAM, so I can see how much memory I'm using right there, and I can close all the apps with that trash can button. So it comes with some built-in apps. I uninstalled Facebook. That was the very first thing I did when I got this tablet. I don't like pre-installed apps, but for the most part, they did a pretty good job of putting apps that you actually want to use. So one of the small features that I really like is that there's a built-in screen recorder. All I gotta do is swipe down and tap on screen recorder, and then I can record the screen. That's great if I want to record some gameplay, if I want to do a video demonstrating an app, since sometimes I do app reviews. So that's pretty handy right there. I don't gotta download another third-party app. It's right there. There's also mirror share so that I can share the display on anything like a Chromecast or the Amazon Fire TV. So now let's talk about the camera. The camera is not that great. I mean, it's okay, but it can definitely be improved. The rear camera is 13 megapixels and it can record video in 1080p 30 frames per second. So the camera app has Pro Photo Mode, a Pro Video Mode, HDR, Night Shot, Panorama, and Light Painting, which I haven't got to try yet. I'm actually really curious about that. Time lapse, autofocus, filter, and watermarks. It's pretty basic, pretty straightforward. Again, for tablets, you're not really going to use it for your main camera, so it's okay. The front camera is 8 megapixels, not that great, but it's okay for video chat. So now it's time for the dual speaker test. Let's see how good these dual speakers really are, and I'll let you guys be the judge of how good they really sound. Okay, so that's about it for this video. In summary, the 2K resolution screen is awesome. It makes watching movies, playing games really enjoyable. Cameras, not that great. They could be improved. Don't use it as your main camera. But the big highlight of this tablet is the dual speakers and the surround sound. So that is it for my first impressions video of the Huawei MediaPad M5. If you guys are interested in this tablet, I have an Amazon link in the description below. Be sure to check it out. There's a couple other features that I forgot to mention in this video, but I'll be sure to mention them in my full review on TechGeekNelson.com.